Has this ever happened to you? And if so, please put your experience down in the comments so other people can learn from it. But where you either go to bed or a couple hours later, something that was working perfectly fine in your rig, in your RV, your van, your whatever, that was working perfectly fine, all of a sudden quits working. You haven't changed a thing, you haven't done anything to it, but it quits. So you do everything you can think of. You turn it on and off, you unplug it, you flip switches, you look at, everything you can, and nothing seems to work. So you give up, go away, come back a couple hours later, and whatever it was that wasn't working, it's working just fine. And that's when your wife, your husband, your partner, your dog, cat, looks at you and goes, well, how'd you do it? What'd you do to fix it? And because you tried so many different things, you haven't got a clue. So if this has happened to you, like it's happened to me a couple times already with various things, just put it in the comments below, and that way we can all get a chuckle together, all right? Thank you very much.